G'day and welcome to MW Laser. I'm one of the distributors for Apple Air, and today what I'd like to do is show you just the maintenance of your electrostatic air purifier. We're going to have a look at cleaning the pre-filters as well as the electrostatic filter. So these are the pre-filter socks. In the model 604 there are two of these, and in the larger models there are three. You just remove them quite easily by squeezing this bracket and pulling them out of the machine. Now these can be rinsed in your laundry trough or machine washed. The stage 2 filter is also a finer particle filter, so this one here can also be washed in the laundry sink or trough, and then you can just wait for it to dry and reinstall it in your machine. To clean the E-Stat filter, we use a cap full of Vanish into one of these large tubs and then fill it with water. This is the one we're cleaning today. This is out of the model 604, and you can see that the electrostatic plates are all caked up with a lot of particulates from smoke of cutting MDF, plywood as well as acrylic. So we're going to soak this in the tub. And then we're going to let that sit and soak for about an hour before we pressure wash it clean. And that's an hour later. You can see it's taken a lot off already. I'm going to tip it out and pressure wash it. Now we're just going to dry this, and then we can reinstall it back into the machine. Just a reminder, when you do reinstall it back into the machine, we have a bottom wire goes on the bottom. Don't put one in the middle here, and the top wire at the top there.